aft head, a generous head, big size, good comfort. Separate shower with plexiglass doors, and into the engine room there is a combined washer and dryer, and since it's located into the engine room you have very good noise reduction, and at the same time it's available for service and exchange if the day would require so. Here you have towel heaters, so you always have dry and warm towels. The mirrors on top of the sink are tilted a bit so you see your own face without moving your head too much lower. Opening port light, that is milk colored, so you get the light into the cabin but you obscure views into the cabin. Lots of locker space also here.